How to recover deleted YouTube videos. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to recover deleted YouTube videos. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch YouTube app on a device. Make sure to log into your account and tap on profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Now scroll to the bottom and select Help and Feedback. Now select Send Feedback at bottom of the screen and then tap Get Started button. Now you have to enter your feedback that you want to send to YouTube, and then you can simply attach the link of the deleted video for a higher recovery chance as well. So now tap on the arrow at bottom right corner of the screen and then you will easily receive the feedbacks and answers. So in this following way, you can easily recover the deleted YouTube videos. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.